No. Okay. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I believe, sir.
Yeah.
So far, the situation, your reporter, it sounds very, very, very frustrating and very
terrible. Very terrible.
Wow. Diana, what are the interventions?
That's what we're doing now.
Did we know na yenim say situation eba be do baby yedui? Were we informed earlier? Were we warned, cautioned?
Yes, but you know we are not. You know, so
Wow.
yeah, I don't know. So
Hey, that's serious. Submerged totally.
yes, so much. Locally, complete village. Yeah, currently. The water.
And considering the situation I nim when no the central government support, what has it been? Because assembly in there, I don't even know how much you have and what you have to support. What has been the central government intervention?
This money the government is trying best to organize something for them. So this one I'm expecting a regular minister the team, the country who. But what
I saw a video community, rescuing a dead young guy who appears to have been drowned.
That's right.
I need to confirm. Our sister
my this is
okay. So for now, there you've not recorded any casualty in terms of death.
No. At all.
So all official and government activities has come to a standstill.
Not all, but some of the hospitals. Affected. But majority of the hotels who are affected. Which is not easy at all.
Wow.
So very serious thing.
The emergency provisions, Amodema or relocating them to schools and other areas, are they enough considering the continuous spillage of the dam?
Yes.
We are expected for the next 1 week, possibly it's a spillage.
Exactly.
We are going to have more casualties.
Exactly. More.
I see the Akosombo Bridge or the Vota, which of the bridge? Okay. Okay.
It is in danger. It is also in danger. So the job for the summer, God,
So there can be easy flow.
exactly.
Wow. Wow.
Aquatic weeds have
Taking
occupied
over. For Yaniora said Seth Agbi and Aidin Komowa, the municipal chief executive for South.
This is chief executive.
Okay, district chief executive. Municipal status. I see. So the only interventions a relocation to areas apart from that, in terms of, because I'm aware that most of your electricities are also off. So anyway, as we wait for the regional minister and other authorities, we'll get back to you tomorrow for any other.
Thank you.
We are grateful, sir. Right. We will and continue to pray. For a fena do a feeding at our share or say Chrome TV or Shark Akoma and Facebook page, a Diana Bakofia Santia, and the partners who saw many refugees. It is so dangerous. Very, 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 very damning. And then bad. I'm worried, and one more sharing our area how best we can all intervene and help. But it is so serious, and it continues to be serious. Ubia Oshe Akoma 87.9 FM. When you say the Lord's Prayer, say some for Volta region.